Okay, so today I'm going to be going through the process of my 2018 title page. Something I'm doing a little differently this year for 2018 is I'm working with a 9x12 Studio Calico album. I don't think you'll actually see the album that I'm working on in this video, but it's one of the faux leather We Are Memory Keepers ones. I actually got it from the Black Friday Studio Calico sale. So as you can see, I'm working with a 9x12 page protector. This one has two 4x6 slots and four 3x4s. And since it's the title page, I'm just taking a few photos that I have from our last photo shoot as a family back in August of last year. And that's usually what I do for my title pages. I always do the professional photos that we've had taken and use those as kind of a starting point of how our family looks at the start of the year. And as you can see right now, I'm just taking a leftover 3x4 pocket and cutting it down so I can use it as an insert for my 2018 numbers, which you're going to see me do right now. I'm just checking to make sure that both the 1 and the 8 will fit nicely on that 3x4 insert. So these numbers are actually from Ali Edwards. I believe they were for December Daily, but I ended up not using them very much in my December Daily, so I decided to use them for this. And that chipboard, the chipboard shape right there that you can see me adhering to the 18 is from the January Stories by the Month kit that Ali Edwards has right now. And as you can see right now, I'm just looking through all of the cards, 3x4 and 4x6, to see if there's any that I want to include in this layout. I also pulled out some of my previous story kits from Ali and was just looking at the embellishments to see if there was anything that I wanted to add. And I end up with a few quote cards that I really like. This one, which it says, "Through the lens of this one life," which is from Ali's lens kit. But I wasn't sure about the color, so I kept looking. A couple of these I do end up using. That top card, the top blue one, I ended up using. And I actually ended up printing out a few cards from this year's Story by the Month kit that Ali has, and you'll see that in a second. And I end up with all quote cards except for one. I really wanted to include our ages, so the ages of all the family members as of January of this year. And I used that My People card right there that you just saw to write down all of our ages and our names and everything. But I did end up going back and changing my mind and printing all of that information on a manila tat. Unfortunately, though, the video cut out way before then, so you will only see me write all that stuff on the My People card. But it gives you a pretty good idea of what I did for my title page. So as you can see, I'm really not sure of myself doing this title page, and I think that has a lot to do with the fact that I've worked solely in a 6x8 album for the last month because I was working on my December Daily, and before that I was very used to 12x12, but I don't know. I just decided to switch to the 9x12 because I found myself having a really hard time filling up all the pockets in a 12x12, which sounds really funny to me because I'm the kind of person who wants to include all of the photos in my project life, which obviously I can't do because I take a lot of photos during the week. But I'm thinking a smaller amount of space to fill up will actually really help me to be able to get this project done. So as you can see, I'm just adding some Felicity Jane alphabet stickers to spell out our last name on one of the pictures. And as I said, I do end up replacing that My People card with a manila tag with all of that information printed out. And I'm just adding a last minute chipboard embellishment from the January kit, and I'm done. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.